Hello everyone, this is my another video and into this topic we will discuss about how to merge the transport request. So into this video, we will at first we will discuss some business scenarios. In your suppose in your organization, suppose in your organization there is one consultant for from MM guy. Actually, he is working on suppose some configuration XYZ configuration. I am taking as example. This guy is configured some configuration, and after some configuration, he has give all the configuration, and he asked his junior that you have to test all these things, and if you get some errors or anything, so you can change. Okay, so suppose this is my consultant one and another consultant who is testing on these scenarios. And after testing testing, he got some issues, so he's try to configured into this configuration. So suppose the first consultant who has configured into the transport request, which is I am taking as a tier one, and the another consultant, he by mistake he has modified or he has saved the configuration into another transport request. That means he has created another transport request. And after this, when the consultant one review the entire process, that time he found that the for the same configuration another consultant has created another transport request. So this is the major issue. So after discussing with the senior manager, so senior manager asked them to. This is a very common issue. So you can just merge the tier two, that means second tier to the first tier, and after that you can release the tier one. So this is the scenario. So today we will see how to resolve this issue or how to merge the transport request into our system. So in our SAP system, at first we will go into the AC09 transaction, into which at first we will create two transport requests, and that is transport request one and another transport request which is transport request two. So into the AC09 transaction, we will create one transport request, that means customizing request. Here I am just taking one short description like transport request one and click on save button. So you can see that this transport request has created, and this is the main, that is parent tier, and this is child tier, as we already know. So another transport request we will create by name transport request two. So into that section, create customizing request transport request two. Okay. So now, if we go into the display modifiable or modifiable this the kind of request, we will just click on display button. So here we can see the transport request two and transport request one. But here you can see that this is the owner name. That means this transport request and transport request one, both transport request has been created by this user. But in our real-time example, as we already tell you that the consultant two has created this tier and this consultant has created this tier. So as of now, I am just changing the owner name. So suppose this is transport request two. So I would like to change this owner by another owner. So click on this button. Here you can see the previous owner was that guy, and for now we are taking another consultant. So now you can see that this transport request has been created by this guy, and this transport request has been created by this guy. So this is my real scenarios here. So now our manager told this guy, that means the senior consultant one, that you have to merge this tier, because he has not much idea about the transport request and all these things. Only for that reason he has doing this kind of mistakes. So now this consultant one who will change this owner name first. So by click on this transport request, in the same process, we will change the owner name by this guy. So now you can see that these two transport requests has been created by this owner name. So now we will do that this transport request, into which if we go into that section, you can see that this is my child tier, and into that section you can see this is my child tier for another transport request. So now our requirement is this transport request, that means this child tier should be coming to this tier. So how? So just click on this and go to utilities and reorganize, and here reassign task. By this process, we can see that this is my task, this is my task, which should be moved into this target request. That means which transport request, into which transport request we want to move this task. That means this is my child tier. So this is the tier, main tier, that means parent tier, into which we will try to move the task. So that's why I am just taking this name as here. And here you can see 110 is my another tier. This is my target request. Just click on enter button. So here you can see that this tier, into which no objects or no tasks will be available, but into this, that means into our transport request one, as per our requirement, our two objects is clubbed into one transport request. So this is the main process, and this is very small topics. And after this configuration, just click on this transport request, because this is now as of now this is useless, or this is not required. So just click on this button, delete. So you can delete the transport request. So now our requirement is done. So this is a very small topic which we have discussed today's discussion. Thank you so much. So please subscribe my channel, because this is my very new channel, and after creating this is my fifth video, and I have seen that my channel subscribers is very less. So kindly help me to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.